Hello children, today I will be teaching you inclined planes under simple machines unit 15. Before we go to inclined plane, just a recap of the previous lesson. What are simple machines? It's a scissor, it's a simple machine. A stapler, simple machine. Why are we using simple machines? I want to put a hole to this paper. Can you put a hole to this paper? It's very great difficult. Even with a lot of effort, it's very difficult. But instead you have a puncher. If you have a puncher, easily you can put a hole. So puncher is helping us to put a hole. It is making our work easier. Puncher is a simple machine. Scissor is a simple machine, right? So what are simple machines? Strategies used to make the job easier are known as simple machines. So there are 4 types of simple machines: lever, inclined plane, pulley, wheel and axle. Right? Lever. There are 3 types of lever. First order, second order, third order. Right? I gave you the word FLE, flee. Hope you remember that. FLE, flee. Right? First order lever, fulcrum is in the center. Second order lever, load is in the center. Third order lever, the effort will be in the center. Here I have drawn a scissor. Here the fulcrum is in the center. It's a nutcracker. The load is in the center. Right? It's a forceps. Here you press it with this hand this way. So effort is given over here. So effort is in the center. These are examples for first order, second order and third order. You can refer the book with the pictures. It's available in the book. Right? Then identify the stapler. First order, second order or third order. Right? You use the stapler machine in order to staple this way. And you apply a force this way. You are going to apply a force. The effort is here. The load is in the center actually. Load we keep in the center we say. And here is the fulcrum. So fulcrum, load, effort. Load is in the center. So the stapler will be under which order? Second order lever. Right? The stapler is second order lever example. Right? So already you have learned about that. Then we have learned some important equations. I told you have to by heart these equations. First one we learned about mechanical advantage. It's a ratio of load over effort. Second one, velocity ratio is equal to distance traveled by effort divided by distance traveled by load. The third equation, work output is equal to load into displacement of load. Work input is equals to effort into displacement of effort. And this one children, it's a new equation. Please learn this also. Efficiency is equal to mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio into 100%. So this one is used to calculate the efficiency of a machine. This one please learn. All these 4 already previous lesson I have taught you, and this one please learn. Right? Next we will learn about inclined plane.